Hi, bebe. Hi, Lola. Hi, Kuya. Hello, everyone. So, we're going somewhere. See you later. Where are we going? Hello, kanindot sa panahon. Nindot kayong skies, guys. Nindot ang dalan, limpyo kayo. Nara silang kati diha sa muunahan. And we're traveling now, going to Laak. Yes, going to Laak, guys. Hello, nindot kayo ang kapaligiran. It's so green. And the sky is blue. Okay, see you later. Wow, kanindot sa dalan, kalimpyo, kaluag, walay traffic, and the sky is so blue with matching namumo nga mga clouds. Thank you, Lord, kanindot sa kalibutan nga imong gihatag ka na mo. Wow, manindot ta oy. Okay siya. We're now approaching to Laak. Almost there, mga kaibigan. Duha na lang ni kasakyanan nga nagdagan diri nga side. Time check is already 10:50 in the morning. See you later. Laak, we're in the bridge. Yes. Amping. Oh, welcome to Laak. So, welcome to Laak, guys. See you later. So, we're here at the Kapatagan, Laak. There's plenty of cacao. We're here at the Payag. Wow. Na ay mga lubi.
Nice, no?
Wow, oh, nice. Oh, daghag mga kakao. Wow. So we're here. This is the Payag. And this is Bray. Bray, say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog! Let's put na. Hi, vlog!
Hi. So this is the cacao. Cacao. Plenty of cacao here. Nakabalot ang cacao. Yes, there is a buko. Magbutong ta, guys. Mamutong ta diri, guys. See, the buko is there. Tignan silang kakawan diri, guys. So, see you later. So, hello, guys. So, nga nami buto. Nami buko, guys. We're eating. This is the buko. And it is so yummy. It's vitamin C. Napod may mga baon, guys. O, maraming mga korek. Nagpiknik may ilalom sa kalubihan. Ilalom sa kakawan. So, there. Nanguha silang butong. Yes. And this is the butong. We're kuskusing already. Yes. Kalami sa butong. Gimingaw og butong ang siman. Kaya walay butong sa ilang barko. Be, you want to drink, be? It's so yummy. Oh, look, Papa. Oh.
What did he did?
Huh?
My hair is wet.
It's wet? There's a sabaw man in the butong. It's wet your hair? Okay.
Sabaw lang.
Yes, you drink. Wow, brave drink the juice of the...
It's yummy.
It's yummy. Sige. Hindi, good siya. Ano ni guys?
Ano ba pinabay smash the juice?
Oh, you try the juice.
It's like a juice, manggod. Ay, we can timpla it with milk.
Ako daw, baby.
You want to timpla it? Oh!
It's a coconut water.
Yeah.
Pagkuha na lang, pag straw. Ano? Straw.
Coconut water.
Lola Pudlab. Yummy! Da.
So tamis.
Look, I'm in the hut. Look.
Yeah, you're in the kubo.
So yummy. Is it yummy, Brian?
Mm.
Yes. Sige, hungit. Wow, kalami. Wala na sa barko. Tita Kate, ang buntis ay kalami sa coco water,
Satisfied.
boko water. What about you, Bray?
Yeah,
Not yet. Where is your buko juice?
it's there.
It's there. Mm.
Ikaw lang.
Hi vlog. Lang pangitan ako nang ora magkaraang tao. Ang vlogger ning kaon na nakalimot nag-vlog.
So yummy.
O, di ba? Mora niya mo ang kuan gibuhat diri ah.
Isn't it amazing?
Yeah. Bravery doesn't want to try. Why you don't want to try?
Because I hate coconut.
You hate coconut, but when you get older, you will like it. Maybe it's just now because it's you're a kid pa. Pangitan ako nang eh. So ka na kubuhok eh. Oh, Lola, oh, it's so yummy, Lola. Mingaw kag pamotong, Lola. Ooh.
Yummy.
It's yummy.
Mm.